everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a swipe tree again. This time it probably won't be quite as whimsical as my last one, which reminds me to do show and tell for you. I've had a few people ask to see it dry. This is the whimsical swipe tree that I did, all with a swipe. Isn't that awesome? My granddaughter calls it the unicorn. This is where the unicorns live. Alrighty, so that one's that. Dried quite nicely. I've got a 16 by 20 canvas in front of me with the white acrylic ready to go, and it is titanium white Sax brand. It's 50% Sax paint, 50% Floetrol mixed, and no water. So that's what my base is. I got a mixture of colors. Most of them are Arteza, a couple of them are neon. And I've got browns, a couple of reds, greens. We're just going to do it. See what happens. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And of course, all of you that keep coming back, thank you so much. It means the world to me to read the comments and see the thumbs up. It really does keep me going. So keep them coming, okay? Thanks again, everyone. Okay, let's start doing this. I'm going to first put down my background. I'm going to do a little bit of blue up top. Don't really have this planned. I just got in the door from work and I just wanted to do a painting, so that's what we're gonna do. Don't need too much of the blue. Now this is the Phthalo Blue by Arteza. I should probably have a napkin ready to go to wipe off my gloves as I go. Let's do a little bit of yellow in there as well. Just gonna drizzle a little bit. I promise this is not going to be as crazy as the last tree. Be just a little bit crazy. I'm going to put a little bit of my orange neon. If I can get it on the stick here. There we go. Ooh, that's real bright. Okay, let's stop there. And I'm going to do a little bit of my light blue. Okay, now to add some of my browns and greens. Let's go with some Arteza's Burnt Umber. Just a little bit down in this area. And we'll do a Burnt Sienna. I'm going to put some of my Pearl Metallic in the top area and in this bottom area. What else do we want there? We want some greens. Now this green's got a bit of metallic. It's actually the liquid metal, so quite a bit of metallic, but these are all leftover paints that I had. These ones I've just mixed up, the Arteza ones, so. Okay, let's swipe some of that color through and see if I need to add anything else to my bottom area. Let's do a little bit of yellow. The really bright yellow. Okay. I'm going to get my swiper out. Let's just swipe some color down and see what happens. Now this would be a good time to hit that notification bell, because I know you've already hit the subscribe button, so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. Now it doesn't cost anything to subscribe if you're new to watching YouTube or you didn't realize. It really helps artists anybody really that has a YouTube channel, doesn't have to be an artist. It helps them immensely to grow their channels if you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also if you put a thumbs up or put a comment, all of that helps. Doesn't cost anything to do it, and it means the world to all of us. Well, we got interesting cell patterns happening right now, which is awesome. And as you can see, I'm not worrying about going straight or anything like that. It's one thing that you love about abstract art is you can do anything. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just let your imagination run wild. Now we just about got all this color swiped down. Oop, start at the top again. I think I need to do one more swipe over here, just to get some more of that color moving. Okay. Now one thing I like to do is stretch my cells a little bit, so I'm just going to lift my canvas and just tilt it a little bit. I didn't put a thick layer of base on here, so it shouldn't move too much too quickly. Just enough. A little bit more. There we go. Just adds a little personality to those cells. Okay. So now I'm going to start with my burnt umber. I'm just going to put roughly where I want my tree to be. Try not to do any bloopers today. But of course, you know me. That's a pretty good rough estimate. And you're probably going to say, that's an interesting looking tree. That's the idea. Okay, now I think I'm going to go a little bit higher. I'm going to leave it like that for now. I'm just going to put a couple more swishes of brown up the middle. Okay, now let's get some of our burnt sienna. You know, and I thought about this at work today while I was working. I'm like, I really want to do another tree. How can I do it a little bit different? And this is what my brain told me to do, so. And all the girls that watch my videos from work, they're probably going, oh, that's what she was doing today. I see how it works. Okay, let's swipe some of that and see how we're doing. I'm just going to dip a small piece of plastic I have into my white and swipe it down and see if I like it or not. Oh, I like how that settled up there. Okay, let's do another swipe. Let's try the branch here. How are we doing? Pretty good so far, I think. just got to define sometimes a little bit of what you've done. Okay, I don't think I'm going to pick this apart anymore. I think it turned out awesome. Now, do I dare try and lift it for you guys? Turn it. Oops. And there we go, 16 by 20. Beautiful swiped tree. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.